Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. For the dry mix, you'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now that we have our ingredients, let's mix the batter. In your large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter until smooth. Gently pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir just until the flour is moistened. A few small lumps are actually desirable for tender pancakes. Overmixing develops the gluten, leading to tough pancakes. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges appear set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, straight from the pan for the ultimate experience. Classic toppings include rich maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or a handful of fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries. For an extra treat, you could even stir chocolate chips or sliced bananas into the batter before cooking. These homemade pancakes are perfect for a delightful breakfast or brunch. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.